So you've been asked to think about a real world end behavior of salaries as t approaches infinity. Well, we're talking about people, so as t approaches infinity, first of all, we don't live forever. So that would be one thing to talk about, that t does not approach infinity. T approaches maybe 100 years or something. Not $100, but 100 years. You could also say that we don't work forever, but all of these, a quadratic is going to look like this. An exponential will be even steeper. And a line looks like that. All of these things, salary goes up forever, but in reality, salary grows. And then as you get older and your salary gets higher, it probably levels off unless you are a very, very rich person that is investing in stock, but ultimately you retire and your salary comes down. And maybe every year until you die, let's say this might be year 70, maybe you're only making $40,000 or something as you get older and older, and eventually none of us live forever. So there would be an end to our lifespan. So those might be some ways to answer problem number 7.